Wait for me! Wait for me!
Forgot these. I stopped him. Let's go back. They want to go back to here.
I think we should put in a little bit to it.
Papa, can we make 2 tracks?
Okay, we'll make 2 tracks now.
So they could do this. Yeah. Here we go.
Now all it needs is more twisty. Straight.
Choo-choo's coming.
No, get a small straight track. Right.
I needed.
He went the wrong. He went the right way. He has to go the wrong way.
No, we couldn't catch.
So he wanted to catch them. One of their parts.
Gotta get on there. Get on there. I gotta get on there. Get on there. Oh, and what feels like good. Also, yesterday, the wheel of the skirt is what now stuck on my fork. My fork. Stuck on my fork. What will I do?
Papa,
Yes, honey.
let's do stick.
What? Won't stick?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, let's see what happens. Got to turn it around probably. Let me check.
Right? Should be just Hurry! Thomas is pushing backwards.